So I wanted to show you guys a little trick today when working with cable rail. So as you can see, we've got a stair and a straight rail frame all built into one. Part of the issue we're running into is we're going to be top mounting most of this on the stair rail trim top, and so your stair rail needs to be 36 inches tall from the nosing, but we had a 4-inch drop and we didn't want to clutter anything up with multiple posts to kind of split it up. So what we want to be able to do is run full strands all the way up. So this is a fascia mount and a bottom mount, and then as you can see, this middle divider is a little bit shorter, which will go on top of the trim. But what we did right here, which is pretty neat, which allows us to run all the cable through, is you're going to have different strands, different runs for the whole run. But your stair rail is going to thin up a little bit, but you still have to have the adequate runs for your straight. So we made a hole above and we were able to drop it down to get the right length, the right height at 36, while maintaining a 36-inch landing top. But in order to make that turn, if you're using square tube, you can't make the turn in one run. So what we decided to do was we decided to use a flat bar stiffener and put it at a 45. So that will essentially allow us to start down here at the bottom. We've got all our runs, everything like that. Sorry, I'm walking around the table to show you guys the entire run. But allows us to come up here and everything coincides. I don't know if you can see the holes in the post, but everything coincides. That way we can still have all our runs. And then we just have one shorter termination right here, which will cap off on the outside. But a cool thing we did also is we countersunk everything. That way you have no sharp edges on the cable. So I thought I'd give a little insight today, little tricks. Things to keep the rail looking cleaner that a lot of people don't do. Style matters. And so hopefully this will help you guys out.